In this video, we're going to take a look at the 4 key features that are going to help you look and sound great in front of the camera, and how this is going to help you look like a pro and increase your subscribers and the number of views your videos are going to get on YouTube. So make sure though you stick around till the end for a bonus tip. Hi guys, it's Bob here from the Higher Way Code, where we help you with everything from the physical to the psychological and make you a more balanced human being. If you're new here, watching for the first time, make sure you hit the subscribe button down there on the right, and of course check out the links in the description box below. Being relaxed and comfortable in front of the camera is one of probably the hardest things new people to YouTube will find. Once you have your lighting sorted, you've got your camera and your audio equipment, your editing suite, it's now down to you and only you and your ability to entrance the audience with your performance skills. So today, I'm going to give you my top 4 tips that will make you look like a professional on screen. Just remember the acronym C.L.A.P, C-L-A-P, clear, loud, with authority, and of course with pauses. Okay, so number 1, clear, clarity. If you want to be understood and of course keep an audience engaged, you must speak clearly. Actors always do a vocal warm-up for good reason, and that is to loosen the muscles around the neck, the face and the jaw. So I suggest a little warm-up before you start to speak. It takes no more than a few minutes and, believe me, is well worth the effort. Enunciate your words, speak clearly, and think about the words you are saying. If you're talking about relaxation, speak as if you are relaxed. If you're talking about enthusiasm and confidence, your voice will naturally speed up and sound confident. Experience the feelings that you are talking about. Also use the visual, auditory and kinesthetic words we use in language when speaking. What do I mean by visual, auditory, kinesthetic? Well, examples of the visual are, as you can see, looking at it in this way, it becomes clear. Auditory words such as like clicks for me, you hear what I'm saying, are also important phrases to use when giving information and content. We must not forget the kinesthetic words too, and these are the touchy-feely words you'll hear people use in their day-to-day language all the time. Getting to grips with things, hold on to that idea. That's just 2 examples. I'm sure if you listen to talented speakers or raters, they will use a mixture of these types of words, visual, auditory, kinesthetic. Great speakers use a balance mix. Sometimes the speakers speak when the speech is carefully crafted. Sometimes when describing things, you'll speak quickly, and other times you'll speak in a measured way, and sometimes, of course, you will slow your speech patterns down. It all adds to variation and interest in your voice. Listen to the great speakers, learn from them. But don't mimic them, don't copy them. Find your own voice. Okay, number 2, loudness, volume. Speak at the volume you need for the equipment you might be using, and vary the volume depending on what state you want to achieve. Practice pushing your voice beyond the camera. Okay, actors often talk about projecting the voice. This requires a good warm-up and of course practice. Sometimes even a whisper can have a great impact on the listener. Don't just depend on audio editing to solve your problems, any problems you might have with sound. Okay, 3, as an order, with authority. Always speak, always know your subject and speak with authority. Be confident in your delivery of the content. Write a script beforehand if you're not sure, with all the main points highlighted. And if you're not sure, then don't try to wing it. You often see multiple edits on many videos on YouTube, and this is because of the lack of preparation and not knowing what you want to talk about. Learn the material and then film it in one take. It's what the pros do. If you have any doubts about what you're talking about, you will come across as someone lacking in confidence, and viewers will, well, switch off. To ensure that you keep the viewers engaged, speak with authority. always. And finally, number 4, use pauses. This gives you the appearance that you are thinking about what you are saying, and therefore it looks like your video is unscripted, and therefore gives you that assurity and authority. It also gives the viewer time to think about what you've just said, and helps you break up the rhythm and pace of the presentation. Rhythm and pace make for an interesting and engaging voice. And now, time for the bonus tip that I promised you at the beginning of this video. This might sound crazy, but if you're someone who does find it difficult projecting yourself, don't beat yourself up. You're normal. Nobody likes being in front of a camera. This is a normal response. However, as a performer on YouTube, you need to lose that inhibition. The big secret, and it will change your performance, is to opera sing your presentation. Yeah, as loud and as freely as you dare. Seriously, sing your heart out. Then stop, relax, and then read the script again. Notice how better it sounds. As an actor, I found this exercise invaluable when I trained, and I still do it before every performance. It makes you smile internally, and then the joy comes out in your voice, and the viewers pick up on this and enjoy the experience too. If you enjoy it, well, others will too. Okay guys, so there you have it. 4 top tips and a bonus to increase your performance on screen and increase your viewers and the retention of your subscribers. Finally, check out my links below for more videos like this. And thanks for watching this video, and please feel free to share it amongst your friends. Thanks guys.